Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Subaru Outback key fob battery used for different years, models 2013, 14 and more. The battery you will need is a CR1632 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so what we'll need is a small flathead, key fob and a replacement battery. So first we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pulling this button right here and we take it out. Now, as you can see, we have to take this cover. So what I do, I just take a small flathead as I mentioned and I turn gently clockwise, okay? Gently. No need to apply a lot of pressure. Very important. Once again, gently, like this. Try not to damage the cover, of course, and it opens. Now, as we can see, we have the electronics here and we have this part. I will put it aside also. It's the emergency key. Now we have to take this off. You may need to use also a screwdriver here, you may not, I don't know. It really depends on your key fob. This one was a little bit hard at the beginning. I already did it twice, so I know. And here we go. As I mentioned, 1632. Now, this slot right here, I insert a small flathead and I pull it up. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. Just like that. And I press, okay? And as you can see, it works, okay? Now, to put it back, face down, just like that. Tight, make sure everything is okay. Take the cover, we press, put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think and please like this video. Thank you.